Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Feather client is current and your environment is ready. First, check the client version and update it if it's more than one release behind. Outdated code often blocks modern auth. Then verify your credentials, type them slowly or paste to avoid errors, and reset the password if needed. Once done, ensure your network is stable. Switch from Wi-Fi to Ethernet or disable VPN briefly, and ping the server to confirm basic connectivity before moving on. You now deep dive into configuration and logs to find the root cause. Open the Feather client logs and look specifically for 401 or 403 errors, token refresh failures, or SSL handshake messages, because those point to auth or certificate issues. Next, inspect the local config file. Confirm server URL, port, and proxy entries match your environment and correct any mismatches. Also check your firewall and outbound rules. Make sure the required ports are aligned. You finish by applying final fixes and verifying the login flow works end-to-end. Restart the Feather client and reboot the machine if you changed network or firewall settings. Clear the app cache and stored tokens before attempting login again. If corruption seems likely, reinstall the client, export your settings, perform a clean install, then re-import. If problems persist, capture a log bundle with exact timestamps and error codes. Because that single troubleshooting tip, provide precise logs, speeds up expert diagnosis dramatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.